What's up guys, Chicks there from Chicks Tech Reviews. Today I bring you a fast charge test between the Asus Zenfone 6 versus the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now the Asus Zenfone 6 has a 5000 mAh battery and supports QuickCharge 4. And the OnePlus 7 Pro has a 4000 mAh battery and supports warp charging. So both of these smartphones are totally dead. The chargers are in their positions and ready to be plugged in, and all I'm going to do is start the timer and we're going to see which one finishes first. So let's get this party started, shall we? So 5 minutes into this test, you can see the OnePlus 7 Pro at 12% and the Zenfone at 8%. And after 10 minutes, we see the OnePlus at 23% and the Zenfone at 13%. And 15 minutes in, you can see the OnePlus 7 Pro has raced ahead to 35% and the Zenfone 6 at a modest 19%. Now 20 minutes later, I was quite surprised to see that the OnePlus 7 Pro has jumped up to 47%. That's nearly half of the battery fully charged, and the Asus Zenfone 6 at 25%. So we've now hit the 30-minute mark and it's 36% versus 64%. So it took nearly 40 minutes for the Zenfone 6 to get nearly halfway, and the OnePlus 7 Pro is at a whopping 81%. So we're coming close to the hour and it's 58% versus 93%. And at the 55-minute mark, we are at 97% on the OnePlus 7 Pro. So OnePlus 7 Pro is nearly there and 64% on the Zenfone 6. And 60 minutes are up. Congratulations to the OnePlus 7 Pro. 0 to 100 in only 60 minutes is unheard of. Absolutely amazing. So speeding up to the 1 hour 22 mark, it's brought us to 87% on the Zenfone 6. So we still need to see how long it's going to take for the Zenfone 6 to get to 100. So 1 hour 40 minutes, Zenfone is now at 94%, so we're getting there. So 2 hours, we are now at 98% on the Zenfone. And finally 100% took 2 hours and 14 minutes on the Zenfone 6. So there you have it guys, that was my fast charging test between the Asus Zenfone 6 and the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now it was clearly obvious from the get-go that the OnePlus Warp Charge was going to win, especially with a smaller battery size than the Asus, but it's definitely reassuring to see in real time exactly how long both of these smartphones take to charge. Now a few of you did ask for this video, so here it is, and I hope you guys have found this video useful, and if you did, then please leave a like and comment to let me know, and I would certainly appreciate the support if you could subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a brilliant day. See you in the next one guys.